In 2025, AI isn't a trend, it's the new baseline.
If you're not using AI to scale, automate, or simplify your business, you're already behind. Today, I'll show you what's changed, what's coming, and how entrepreneurs are using AI.
Why this matters in 2025.
This year, AI moved from optional to expected. Your customers want smarter experiences. Your competitors are automating faster than ever. The line between marketing, sales, and service, it's gone. As David Meerman Scott said in the new rules of marketing and PR,
you're either publishing value directly to your audience or you're invisible.
In 2025, AI is how you stay visible.
3 bold predictions for AI in 2025.
Prediction 1. Autonomous workflows are replacing virtual assistants. Smart systems now publish your content, manage leads, and even build funnels, all in the background. Prediction 2. LLMs are now embedded team members. Businesses are assigning AI actual roles, like onboarding assistant, content strategist, even sales support. These bots run inside your CRM or Slack, and they never take a day off. Prediction 3. Ethics will drive competitive edge. With AI-generated content everywhere, brands that show how they use AI and still keep it human will win the trust war.
AI readiness self-assessment. Let's test your AI readiness.
Answer these 5 questions honestly. 1. Can you launch a product without starting from scratch? 2. Are you automating at least one recurring task with AI each week? 3. Do you have a structured AI workflow that others could follow? 4. Is your AI content written in your voice, not generic filler? 5. Could your business keep running if you unplugged for 7 days?
If you said yes to 0 to 2, you're behind, but fixable. 3 to 4, you've got leverage, keep going. Yes to all 5, you're operating like a modern AI-powered business.
Case study, Jen Perdew's $13,000 AI relaunch. Here's how this works in the real world. Entrepreneur Jen Perdew had an old membership product, outdated, no longer selling. Using a trained AI assistant, she scanned, rewrote, and repackaged it into a new offer. The result? $13,699 in new revenue. No team, no rebuild, no burnout. She created a system. AI did the heavy lifting. And now she uses that system to launch faster and work less.
Here's the bottom line. If you're not using AI in your business in 2025, you're leaving money, time, and opportunity on the table.
Help figuring out where to start or what to fix. Grab your AI audit for just $49 at normbond.system.io/AI audit. You'll get a full breakdown of how to automate smarter, save hours, and increase profit using AI.
Click the link in the description to book your audit now.
And subscribe for more real-world AI strategies right here every week.